I get it for you, this one. You'll love it. I think I should get the one that looks like a bun. You love this one. This is beautiful.
Increase it. $27.
Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video. Anyways, good morning, because it's morning right now. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Benson. If you're new here, good to have you. Returning subscriber, thank you so much. It's a beautiful day, as you can see. Today is the day I go to Northwest Registry to have my knowledge test. That will be GDL class 7, and I want to also use the opportunity to also get my health card, because the last time I went there I didn't have proof of address, and I just got a SIM some days ago. So did the knowledge test and also look for a way to also do the health card at once, you understand? Looking for a friend to help us get to our destination, and I'll show you guys there. I don't know whether I'll be able to make videos inside or not, but let's see. Wish me luck. I hope I come out great, because it's $17 per test and I don't intend on failing, even if it's cheap enough at least. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Just a little quick intro. Bye bye.
Okay, welcome.
So we decided to stop by another Thai. This is mine. I don't know whether you can see it. Masma curry. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Turkish.
Well, mine is Masman curry.
Okay, this is Tuk
Tuk Tuk.
I want sugar for you.
Tastes good. I like mine. At least there are not so much veggies inside of it compared to yours.
Just this. Just.
Oh my god. Very sugary. Mine is very nice. Mine is nice.
Oh my god. What have I done?
What have you done? What have you done to do it?
What have I done?
Finito. This one, see. I don't know how you want to train your children. don't know, we're having a quick brunch. So I think we're heading to this is a North Registry and heading to Dollarama. I'm gonna pick up some few snacks. Pistachio to be precise, if that's how it's pronounced. My knowledge test was if you get like 25 out of 30, the test is gonna end and you've passed. So that's what your baby girl had. I didn't feel a thing. There's a past question anyways. I used that to study, read the manual, the driver's manual for Alberta, and I aced it. So it's gonna take 3 to 4 weeks for them to mail to my address together with the health card, I think. The same waiting time. Anyways, we're here at Dollarama. Thank shop. Nothing much. Here, baby. Should I get it for you? This one. You'll love it. I think I should get the one that looks like a bone. You love this one.
You love it. You love it.
You love it.
You love it.
I just here to get that snacks because shop. Is it here? You're gonna get it from here.
Baby girl.
I don't know when you should get. Maybe should we get it?
Let's go to the meeting. Yeah. Okay.
I got this one.
Right.
Take.
Yeah.
Let's get to
Yeah.
All
I'll
right.
back.
Very tasty.
See this one. Creamy milk.
No, Western's original. Oh,
That's
that's original.
Let's get one now. Just $1.
Not even Valentine's Day yet. Everywhere is filled with love. This one. Everywhere is filled with love.
That's so nice.
It's so cute. Happy Valentine's Day. Everywhere is just red. Cordy strawberry heart. Even the cake pan already. Ready for love.
Did your team
Hello.
card strengthen your family bonds with Alberta Family Resource
Already.
Network's Connect Parent Group? This
The
10-day course
placemats.
offers insights into healthy team
What did you say?
relationships.
For laundry.
Connect the test.
What do you want spaghetti for? The size is favorable. You said it was smaller.
Yeah.
This is not enough.
Yeah, it's enough.
Shopping done. Skin milk, lip poppy. Where is he? Okay. So it's time to see yes. Good evening. It's another day. I just found out that Amazon dropped off my package. I had to order a humidifier. Let me carry it. Look at it here. So the air in the room has been dry and also I've been bleeding. So little like blood clots. This kata was since in Nigeria and up till January I'm still having like wet nose even if I'm not stepping outside that much. So I decided to get myself a humidifier. So let's just unbox. And me. Alright. Here we know how to. I don't know what I ordered or what. I hope it has not broken off. I thought it was the other one. I didn't know it was this one. I ordered a different one, though. A different shape.
There's one that
That one,
has like
yes,
banana
exactly. That's the one. I think I'm gonna put a photo of what it looked like. It's all that ordered, though. But let's see, Sha. Mega wise, we want you to be happy. That it's different one, though. This is not the one I ordered.
shape.
But I like this one.
It's okay.
Yeah, and I hope it works.
Too.
I think I found it the other way around. It's big. What?
It's very nice. It's nice.
Yeah.
Baby, it's nice. If not AliExpress now, it will be very.
So this is a better option. I'm happy that they gave me this one instead of the other one. And let's see how this works. Do not overfill. Add warm water when temperature on max light. Yes, let's see.